In a major crackdown on financial fraud, the Hulimavu Police of Bengaluru's Electronic City Division have busted an interstate syndicate involved in creating Mule accounts used for online gambling and money laundering. Following a month-long operation across Bengaluru and Delhi, police arrested 12 accused and seized property worth nearly 1 crore rupees. The prime accused is suspected to be operating from Dubai. The case was registered on November 28, 2025, after police received inputs about bank accounts being opened in the names of unsuspecting individuals and handed over to overseas handlers. The very next day, two suspects were arrested near Anjanapura in JP Nagar 9th phase. Searches led to the recovery of 206 debit cards, gold ornaments weighing over 500 grams, and nearly 5 lakh rupees in cash. Interrogations revealed a wider network, leading police to Delhi. On December 17th, 10 more accused were arrested from an office in Rajendra Nagar and brought to Bengaluru on transit remand. The Delhi raid yielded debit cards, mobile phones, laptops, SIM cards, and checkbooks. Investigations revealed the syndicate targeted financially vulnerable individuals, luring them with commissions to open bank accounts, which were later misused for illegal gambling and financial crimes. In total, police seized over 200 debit cards, multiple digital devices, gold ornaments, and other valuables. All 12 accused have been remanded to judicial custody while efforts continue to trace the Dubai-based kingpin.
In Hulimavu Police Station limits in the Electronic City Division, the police have done an excellent job in detecting a very serious offense as far as investment fraud is concerned. In this case, 12 people have been arrested. 2 are from Bangalore, rest 10 are from outside state. In this, about 9,000 mule accounts are there all over the country. 1930 complaint had come to in Bangalore also. Along with that, many other places, 1930 complaint is there against this particular app. Total amount as of now, which the police have detected, is around 240 crores, which has been freezed. Out of this, around 24 crores pertain to this particular case. In this connection, around 242 debit cards and 58 mobile phones and about 7 laptops, many passbooks, checkbooks, and cryptocurrency book and SIM cards have been seized, totaling around 1 crore worth. Another 1 crore has been freezed also in this particular case. One complainant who has invested in this is getting back his 94 lakh rupees also, because his direct account has been we have freezed and got it through legal clearance. This is a very serious case in which in the entire country many cases have been registered. So our team has to follow it up very seriously and find out as to how much the exact value is there. As of now, the prime accused is in Dubai, as per our information. We are moving through legal ways how to get him back and see that the case is taken to its logical end. To them, why they are using, how they are using, what is the model? No, this is an investment fraud. In investment fraud, and actually, the people who are involved do all these things which go under notice. So this is an investment fraud. The channels are people use the money. It is channeled through accounts which don't have KYC verification. So that is the loophole that we are trying to do.